started from yesterday around 3 something p.m. and now is the next day, Thursday, around 11 p.m. 11 a.m. and we have so much snow, and then it feels like the bottom is kind of frozen already. I'm kind of scared to walk over there to check on my chickens. Let me be careful and see if I can get there. Okay, and then let's go. Okay, let me see. That's my footprint, and it didn't even go all the way to the bottom yet. That's how much snow we have. Okay, let's go see. Oh yeah. Okay, we are almost there. Oh my goodness. Oh, the chickens are okay. So cold. We have what? With the wind effect, it feels like 90 degrees. That's how cold it is by us now. Oh man. Yesterday, I put a head of lettuce and some water and some chicken feed in the coop with the chicken. So hopefully they are okay without coming out. They will not starve. But the thing is that I worry that the water might be frozen. Oh my goodness, walking down here is so difficult because with all the snow and a little bit slope of the slope. Oh yeah, good sign. I saw something moving inside. So that means my chickens are okay. Very good. Do you see? Do you see the white feather? Yeah, doing good. Now I'm trying to open this, and then the shoelace is frozen with the ice in there because it was wet, so now it's all frozen. Okay, I was able to wash away the ice with the warm water that I put out, meant to feed the chicken. But now that was used for that. Let me see. Oh my goodness, I cannot even get in. How am I going to get into the with all the snow in there? Do I need to stop them? And besides that, even if I get in, can I get into because of all the snow over there? Probably I will have to come back with more hot water and something to shuffle the snow out the way. Okay, now I have to go back up to the house to get some hot water, to get a shuffle the snow out the way. Here goes the long journey again. Think about having chicken coop that's very far from your house. I was going to shovel the snow out the way, but it was not possible because I cannot get inside to shovel. So I used hot boil water to melt some of the snow on the ground. Let's see if it works. Oh my goodness. It doesn't seem like it's not really working. Okay, I forced myself to weigh in by making a space that's big enough for me to squeeze in. Now we got in. Now another problem is that the latches, the lock over here is all frozen. But fortunately, I'm prepared. I have more hot water. Okay, let's see if that works. Oop, it's melting. It melted. Let's see if I can open it up. Let's save some hot water for the chicken in case their water is frozen too. Okay, all my 5 beautiful chickens survived the snowstorm overnight, and then they ate some of their lettuce and some of the food that I left in here for them. And then look at this, the water. It's all like the ones out on the tray. It's all frozen. So unfortunately, I have the hot water to melt it. How you guys doing, huh? Are you guys okay? You guys are okay? Okay. Oh, doing well? Okay. Sorry. Due to the snowstorm, you guys cannot come out today, okay? You come out tomorrow. Don't try to peck on my hand because there's nothing here, right? Alright. Finally, mission accomplished. I got in here, opened up the coop, and gave them some fresh water, and add some more feed for them. And so hopefully they will be okay. They will be okay for today. And yeah, unfortunately they have to stay in this small area until the snow stops because there's no point to come out. Nothing but snow in it.